peony. Yes. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. Today I'm gonna be opening up my IPSY Glam. Oh, got a lipstick on the run. My IPSY Glam Bag for, oh my god, November. Didn't I just do this with my, yeah, the Allure Beauty Box? I'm pretty sure she comes like first every month. They know what they're doing. This is my IPSY Glam Bag. I love her. I don't know if you can tell. We're very like color coordinated-ish today. Like the pinky pink and like, and then the little tiny bit of blue. We go well, okay? I like it. It's cute. Always has been. Yeah. Do you remember when these things used to be like the super metallic-y, shiny? Oh, I wish I would have kept some of those. But anyway, if you're new to IPSY Glam Bag, I'll put more in the description down below because editing me has her life together. We're gonna open this together today, see what's in here. You get stuck to the envelope because it's so, oh my god, it's so sticky. Like pros and cons. Pro sticky, cons sticky. I don't like it. Oh gosh. Ugh, and it feels like it leaves like a film on my finger. It doesn't, but it just feels like momentarily. Anywho, ooh, what do we have here? Feet. Ooh, okay. Oh, shut up. Look how cute. Oh my god. And we have a wristlet for it. Oh. Well, dang. Guess what my winter holiday color is gonna be? Metallic. Well, silver. This is cute. Oh my god. I've been saying we need a bag that has the little strap so I can carry it around. Like, oh, this one's smushed though. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll like smooth itself, right? It'll be, it's fine. This is cute. Look at the inside. Does that not say hello winter fall holiday activities? Shut the front door. And of course it says IPSY on the little tag right here. This is gorgeous. Oh, huh. Hot IPSY, can we do this from now on? Like, I have this cutie right here and I can't really do much with it because it just has like the cute little thing. Like I can carry it everywhere, but do I want to? Not 100%. And it's just slippery when I'm like flailing, and I talk with my hands. This one, slippery also, but I have one of these so I can just put it on my wrist. It's pretty tight too, and then just flail away and it stays on. Okay, I like that. Hello. I feel like everything I've been speaking to the universe, to you guys, to my camera, has come true. Because I got my little wristlet on my little clutch. Like now I can call it a clutch. Before it was just a bag. Like now I feel like 100% we're a clutch. We're ready for business. Put my driver's license, a lippy, and that's it. That's it. Maybe some candy. I don't carry much, but that's so cool. Oh, I'm just, this is probably going to be the majority of the video, me just oogling over that little bag. Oh, so cute. Okay, then, onto this cute little thing, which is sometimes, most of the time, useful. It's this adorable little fold card that IPSY includes in with the bag. I was gonna call it a trifold. It's not. It's a bifold, single fold card that IPSY includes in with their bags every month. Sometimes it's useful, other times not. But this month it is useful. So on the front, the theme for November. Do you tell me? You don't have November yet? It does up here in the little November 2024. Very teeny tiny hidden. And the theme for this month is glow off. Glow off this winter. Maybe I will. On the inside tells you about the items you received if they're full size. Sometimes they are. Their price, whether it's the mini, deluxe, ultra, super, travel friendly, sample size, or, you know, the full-size price next to it. And then on the back, cute little updates information from IPSY, which is pretty nice. Ooh, I did see these on their little, the shop, the IPSY shop. They have like brand bundles. They have, I think there's a buxom, there's another hair one, a skin one. Oh, what was the skin one I got? And I got a couple other ones, all gifts, ridiculously marked down, and I love it. I do. Anywho, on to the goodies on the inside. The moment you've been waiting for. Yes, because I talk a lot. Wonder which one of these I think I know which one I picked. But the first item is from CIATE London. Oh, it's a little. Oh, it's little. It's the extraordinary BB cream in 100. So this is supposed to match me pretty well. That's cute. Are you full all the way though? I can't see. It's like dark all the way through. Normally if I like hold it up to my lights, I can see, but it's like dark all the way through. So that's actually a lot if it is. Cute. You can kind of see the color at the top here. Yeah, it looks like it would be mine or close to it. And it's a BB cream, so it like shears out. The full size of this little doodle is $26. So it's kind of like I get to try this, see if I like it. If I do, go buy the full size one. And it's not like a tiny little swatch where I just like, and you know, I like it, I don't like it. I get to do like a full face with these, and that's really great stuff. Good soup. On to the next item, which I do enjoy. It is, well, the brand I enjoy. I don't think I've tried this. It's from First Aid Beauty. I love the brand. It's the Bounce Boosting Serum with Collagen plus Peptides. You're a serum? You're a thick serum. The full size is $44. The full size is $44, which I mean, I understand. It's First Aid Beauty. That's good stuff right there. Never have any irritation, any issues, any problems at all with my skin. This stuff does such good work. I'm telling you. But, oh, gently tap serum into your skin with your fingertips to amp up absorption. So that's when you're supposed to like, and I'm like, pop, 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 pop. Do you think it gets into your skin better that way? Probably not. Well, I wonder. Now I'm gonna have to try that. I love their lotions or moisturizers, whatever they want to call themselves. So freaking, and their toner pads. Oh God, those are good. So good, so good. So the $44 to me is worth it. Anywho, on to the next item. This looks hella bougie. Oh, look at that. Look at her. Oh, it's from Femu. Am I saying that right? Femu. Femu. It's Brilliant Cleansing Gel. Oh, I do love cleansing gel, but the full size is $52. Gently massage the lather over your face using circular motions. I know I just got done saying that First Aid Beauty was worth it. I don't know much about this brand. I don't think I've tried anything from this brand, at least that I remember, that stands out to me. So is it really great? Is it good? Is it wonderful? Fantastic? I don't know. Do you guys know? Let me know. I'll probably still do it. Doing it. Trying it. On to this next item, which I think is what I picked. I'm not 100% sure. It looks real cute though. It's a full-size item. Look at that. Look at that in my viewfinder. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. It is from Formula Z Flash Cryo Lift Eye Mask. Apparently these are $21. They have hyaluronic Z technology, caffeine and niacinamide. Oh, help with irritated, sleepy, puffy eyes, dark circles, fine lines, swelling. Gently remove the eye mask from the package. Apply to clean, dry under eye area. Relax and enjoy for 10 to 15 minutes. Discard after use. Gently pat and your remaining serum into the skin. How many are in? Is it just 2? Did you say $21 for 2? There are 2 pairs in this. Yeah. Eat. Okay. Okay. There's 2. Oh my gosh. 2. There's 2 in here. Okay. 21. Things are priced a lot pricier than I would care to pay, but one of the things they can vouch for, so maybe this is going to be great too. If they were reusable, 100% get down with the $21, but they're one use, single use, one and done. I gotta think about that. If you guys have tried it, let me know. I'm curious. The last item, this one went pretty quick. The last item in my IPSY Glam Bag for November 2024. Why do I want to say 2023? 2024. Did I say 2023 previous? Editing me is going to check. It's an item from LOVE+CRAFT+BEAUTY. It's the Gel Line Eye Pencil in Searchlight. So this is not a full size. Tell me how she's not, though. The full size is $18. This is a deluxe sample. I think IPSY might have messed up on this because, like, looking at this, nowhere does it say, no, not for sale, sample, what have you. On here on the bottom, it says deluxe sample. The MSRP of the full-size version of this product, 1.21 grams, is $18. In the description, it tells me that the perfect for creating subtle or statement eyes, ultra creamy pencil, hints of silver sparkle, set to a waterproof finish. And then it goes, for a tip, morning and night, spread a few drops of the serum over your face and neck. Huh. Yep. That's a little off, ain't it? Okay. Oh, but that's it. That's everything. I don't want to put it back in my cute little bag, though. Look at this. That aside, I 100% believe this is a full size. I don't know the price. Editing me should find the price. She's got this. These cute little doodles, full size, $21. You got face wash, you got a serum, you got a BB cream, and dang, I got myself a whole like night out and some recovery in a bag. I could just leave this, oh, get in there, get in there. I could just leave everything in here, add a lippy, my driver's license, and we're done. That's it. This is my going out bag. Done. Wow. That was nice. I like that. All right, I'm gonna go. Thanks for hanging out. If you like what you saw, go check out my other IPSY Glam Bags that this video's playlist will be in. Will be in the playlist? This video will be in my IPSY Glam Bag playlist. Go check out the rest of the videos also in that playlist. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!